So what video editor do I use to make these videos? Or what are some that I suggest? Good question, because I put a lot of thought into that. I spent months and months looking into it and doing some research, trying to figure out what video editor to use. And the one I'm using now is DaVinci Resolve. I was using HitFilm Express. And the reason I switched from using HitFilm to using DaVinci Resolve is because it seems to run better on my computer. Whenever I use HitFilm Express, it usually freezes up and it takes hours for it to finish encoding a video to then try and get it uploaded to YouTube. It just takes way too long. So I would say if you're wanting something that's really good for editing color and everything, that has a good workflow and everything like that, I use DaVinci Resolve. Although HitFilm does have really good different effects and everything that you can put on videos that are free, I've always just preferred using DaVinci Resolve. I end up making better videos with it, and the important things that I need to edit videos, they're right there in DaVinci Resolve. It can be a lot more complicated and complex than using HitFilm Express, but the result I get in it is way, way better. And the learning curve, it's a much more steep learning curve, but once you learn it and you figure it out, it's going to save you a lot of time in the long run. And when you're editing videos and you're doing time lapses, it saves videos and it works so much faster than HitFilm does. A lot of times when I add something in HitFilm, when I'm editing a video, it'll just freeze up on me, and then I'll be in the middle of working on something and it would just say that it's not responding, and then I couldn't save it, and then I'd spend half a day working on the video and I'd just lose the video. So I kept having to save every 5 minutes if I was using HitFilm, and I got frustrated with that, moved over to using DaVinci Resolve, and since then I haven't looked back. I haven't really looked at any other video editors because this one's working pretty good for me. I haven't had any issue with it. Although you do have to have a pretty good computer, pretty high recommendations for what you need to run this. And so the computer I have is pretty much a beast. It's all custom built and everything, but it does the job. It does pretty good. I've got 12 fans that keep it cool. It's got water cooling as well, so I don't got to worry about too many issues with when I'm using DaVinci Resolve. But one thing I will say again, to remind everybody, is make sure you have a really good computer if you're going to be using DaVinci Resolve to edit videos. And so yeah, that's my top suggestion if you're wanting to edit videos, especially if you're an artist who wants something that's good workflow. Use DaVinci Resolve. And if you have any tips or suggestions about what I should use when I'm in DaVinci Resolve, about faster ways to edit or anything, just go ahead and let me know. Let me know in the comments below, or you can just send me an email. But until then, thanks for watching, and you have a good day.